everybody. My name is Kim and I'm the happiest cook. Today we are on our Great American Recipe Tour in California. And today we have a special treat. We are making stuffed shrimp enbrochette. It is a shrimp that is about that big. You split it, you make this delicious stuffing. It's a seafood stuffing that we're gonna make. And we stuff it, and then we wrap it with cheese and bacon on the outside. Oh, it's to die for. I had something very similar to that at Margaritaville. And this is our version of that. And I think it's pretty good. So, I have all my things ready. Do you have yours? Okay, like I always say, let's get cooking. All right, we have our butter melted. We are going to add our onions and our bell peppers. We're gonna saute those till they're soft. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start with our stuffing. We're gonna go ahead and let this saute for a little bit and get soft. And then we're gonna put our stuffing all together. Then we're going to stuff our shrimp. We're gonna put some cheese on the shrimp and then wrap the shrimp in bacon. We're gonna put them on a skewer and then we're gonna bake them in the oven. Oh, so good, so good. So, show us some love, hit that subscribe button, really appreciate it. While our onions and peppers are sauteing, we are going to get our stuffing started. And the way we do this is I have my bread toasted. I have my chicken broth just in a cereal bowl. And I'm going to just take my toast like this. And I'm going to dunk it in this chicken broth. And I'm going to just put the toast in this bowl. All right, I think our onions and peppers are pretty much done. So I'm going to turn the heat off these. Then I'm going to take my crab and my shrimp. I'm going to put it in the pan. Now, even though this is all cooked, so we're not really doing this to cook the shrimp or the crab, mostly just to kind of mix it into the peppers and oh my goodness, the smell is wonderful. Okay, so we're just gonna take this. We're going to put it right back into the bowl where everything was before. We're just gonna let it cool off. All right, we are ready to put our stuffing together. So what we're gonna do is we're just going to break up the bread. All right, next thing we're gonna do is we're going to take all of our seasonings and we're going to sprinkle that all over our bread. And then we're going to take our shrimp, all that yumminess, the crab and the butter. And our egg. We're going to put our egg in there. We're just going to mix this all up. We are going to be stuffing shrimp. So, let me get our pan all ready. And when you come back, we will start stuffing and rolling. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to stuff it. Then I'm with the magic of Hollywood and my producer. I'm going to fill this tray with stuffed shrimp. Now, they are supposed to go on a skewer, and generally you would skewer them 5 at a time, and then each person gets 1 skewer. But because of this, I can't deal with the skewer. I need 2 hands. So we're making them individually. I'm gonna skewer them with a mini skewer. So, but just so that you know, the name of our dish actually means skewered it's food on a skewer. So, but we're going to put them on toothpicks, little mini ones. So here's how we do this. Our shrimp are all prepared. You leave the tail on. And if you look, there's a cut right there up the middle of your shrimp. You're going to take a piece of your cheese and you're going to just push the cheese into the shrimp where you cut that hole. Okay? Then you're going to take about a teaspoon of stuffing, and you're going to push that in as best you can to the shrimp. Then you take 1 piece of bacon. I cut mine in half. That worked good for my size of shrimp. And you're going to pick it up and the bacon holds the stuffing in to your shrimp, like that. Then you take a skewer, skewer the baby shrimp. So then you have a stuffed shrimp. I'm gonna fill this tray full and I will be back in just a few. Okay, so our shrimp are all stuffed, and what I have them sitting on is a baking tray. I lined it with foil. Then I took a cookie rack, which I purchased specifically, my cookie rack and my cookie sheets so they could do this. And what it does is it lifts my food up and it's not going to be sitting in the grease as it cooks. So, which is here nor there. But these are going in the oven, 400 degrees for about 25 minutes. I'm going to watch them. We want the bacon to be done and crispy. So excited. All right, I will see you when these are coming out of the oven. Hey everyone, I'm back and our shrimp are done. My house smells so amazing. I just wanted to thank you all for joining me here today on the Happiest Cook on our Great American Recipe Tour. Just so that you know, right now we are in California. We'll be here for 2 more weeks, I think, and then next month we will be in Florida doing some Florida cooking, so that should be fun. I'm having such a blast today. I know it's kind of a bummer having only 1 hand, but it's okay. You know, when you cook and you have a family, you cook, right? Right. So, thank you for joining me this week. I'll see you next week here on the Happiest Cook. And like I always say, let's get cooking and keep on cooking. See you next week.